Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank, having some RV fun. Well, I've got another project lined up. I'm going to tell you all about it. These are 6 LED puck lights with a remote control made by Capstone. Picked these up at Costco for, I think it was 18 bucks. So these are pretty simple to operate. One touch for puck light on, off operation. It's got a remote control, has a range of 20 feet. Wireless on-off remote with timer, dimmer functions. So we'll go ahead and get these installed. I've already pulled the pucks out and the remote. No wiring. It comes with some self-adhesive pads. So I'm going to go ahead and install these and then show the results. Here's the remote for those puck lights. And the green is the on, of course the red is the off. There's a adjustable dimmer with the plus and minus button. There's a preset there for, well, let's see, it'd be for 10%, 40%, 80, and 100%. There's even a timer, which is pretty slick. Now what's kind of nice with these, whether by chance or what have you, if I go ahead and turn one click, one push, it comes with 6 pucks. And what I decided to do was put 2 over the dinette and 2 over the driver area, which serves as the lounge when those seats are turned around and the slides out. And one more click of the green button on the remote brings on the bedroom 2 pucks. And if I turn up the brightness, I'm not sure I'll ever use the manufacturer provided lights. I mean, that's really good. It's really pretty good for the amount of light they put out. Again, with full brightness here. Of course, I've got the door open. Pretty good. You dim them. So if I hit the off button twice, you're going to find, let me go back here again, you're going to find there may be a little synchronization problem, because you can turn these puck lights on and off locally. So if I go now and turn these off, I've got one on over there, but if I hit it again off, that goes off. So these 4 in the living area are off, and the 2 in the bedroom are on. If you're getting ready to go to bed, turn the lights off, there they go. So I'm not sure, I haven't read the instructions. I just put them up, but before I put them up, I laid them out on the table here to decide, you know, do they work, how they work, and I found that there were 2 that seemed to be on a separate circuit of some sort in terms of the turning on the green and the red button. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with these. They contain 3 AAA batteries. I imagine the LED function of these things is going to provide a pretty long battery life. But I have rechargeable batteries. AAA, got them from Harbor Freight. And if the battery consumption becomes expensive, I'll just put some rechargeables in there. Anyway, Thanks for watching. Have a good one.
I want you to get up and walk like a duck.
Me?
Yes.
I always walk like a duck. What are you talking about? Do the duck walk.
Hey, Molly, let's do the duck walk.
Do the duck walk.